Assalamu alaikum and good morning students of class 2. In a previous class, we studied about Unit 9 Food and Energy. Today we will do the copy work of that unit. Take out your copies and make a title page of Unit 9 Food and Energy. Then write the heading of keywords. Number 1, energy. Number 2, carbohydrates. Number 3, fats. And number 4, proteins. After writing keywords, write the heading on the next page of question answers. Question number 1, define a balanced diet. Its answer is, a diet containing all the nutrients in the right amount is called a balanced diet. Question number 2, what is the importance of exercise? Answer, exercise helps to lose weight and keeps us healthy. Question 3, what are nutrients? Its answer is, substances that our body needs are known as nutrients. Question number 4, name the nutrients. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Question number 5, classify the 4 food groups. Number 1, meat group. Number 2, dairy group. Number 3, cereal group. And number 4, fruit and vegetables. Now write the heading of fill in the blanks on the next page. Number 1, food is one of our basic dash. Food is one of our basic needs. Number 2, fats provide dash and dash to our body. Fats provide heat and energy to our body. Number 3, vitamins protect our body from dash. Vitamins protect our body from diseases. Number 4, substances that our body needs are called dash, are called nutrients. Number 5, we must dash daily. We must bath daily. And the last one, number 6 is, we must dash our teeth in the morning. We must brush our teeth in the morning. Okay, now note down the homework. Make title page of Unit 9, Food and Energy, and complete keywords and question answers in your copy.